Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mecalac. We are very proud to present a machine that has been revolutionizing urban work sites over the past few years. Here it is, the 6MCR. It is Alright, first thing we'll be talking about here is the new generation patented hydraulic quick coupling called the Connect. The cylinder located at the end of the arm reduces weight and obstruction. Switching into accessories is quick, safe, and easy with the Connect. You will never drop a bucket. Plus, the buckets are reversible. The 6MCR, as we see here, has a phenomenal work amplitude, reaching out 20 feet, has a much greater work range than a traditional machine, and has the capacity to come back and work very close to the chassis. So large work amplitude on the ground, and when the boom is folded back, maximum compactness. And there it is, the full 360-degree rotation, allowing you to work in very tight, confined spaces. And now, onto the hydraulic offset arm. The hydraulic offset arm allows you to work beyond the machine's natural contours. So, for example, if you'd like to open a trench beyond a wall or a slope with precision and efficiency, laying pipe, removing materials for recycling, there is no task that the offset arm cannot perform. So the 6MCR is driven as a traditional excavator, 2 controls for the equipment, and foot pedal for traveling. But now, watch this. Here we are, we're in excavator one moment, and now we're going to take off this bucket, swing around to the other side thanks to the rotation, pick up the skid, and in just a blink of an eye, you have a compact loader. So I'm going to talk you through it. I'm going to pick up the skid bucket, once again thanks to the hydraulic quick coupling of the Connect. Rotate around over here to where the blade is. The operator will lift the blade, place the skid bucket onto the blade, and then with the easy-to-use control panel, he flicks the switch, and now your compact loader. Left-hand joystick for counter rotation and travel, and the right-hand joystick for boom and bucket control. Way too easy. So the 6MCR can travel at unprecedented speeds at 6 miles per hour. And this is thanks to the design of the triangular chassis and the dual hydrostatic transmission. Alright, and here we go. Our operator is able to work on all sides of the machine thanks to the rotation. That means less vehicle deployment. Less vehicle deployment means less fuel consumption, less wear and tear on the tracks, less wear and tear on the road. And here we go with the lift. Loaded bucket, 16 feet high. Clear visibility for the operator. So if you can see what you're doing, obviously you're in total control, keeping your work zone safe. And on to a little bit of sanding, grading, leveling. Notice how very close you can work to the chassis. You only need one lane in traffic to carry out your jobs. You're not annoying the neighbors, you're not a hindrance on the local population, you're not causing traffic jams. So you can work productively and efficiently in a very small space. And thanks to the patented loading system, no constraints on the equipment, and increased loading force directly from the chassis to the bucket. So the bucket shape, along with the easy driving, allows you to maneuver in cluttered work sites, working cleanly and properly from start to finish. So the 6MCR, as we saw, was a true excavator, a very performant compact loader, and now you'll see that it is also an incredible handling machine. Our operator, once again, thanks to the Connect hydraulic quick coupling, puts down the skid bucket, goes over to the forks, and within a few short seconds, he's clipped in. This pallet here weighs about 2,200 pounds. Very similar to what you guys are used to working with on your job sites. Rotates around and up it goes. The exceptional lifting capacity of the Mecalac arm up to 16 feet high. Once again, excellent visibility for the operator. Plus the cab is very spacious and comfortable. And now look at this. The arm extended way out front. 2,200 pounds. There it is, that Mecalac arm, sheer strength and power. Now our operator will go up onto the mound here. Do notice how the pallet stays horizontal, so it's uneven, undulating terrain, yet the pallet is horizontal to the ground at all times. And now, for something truly unique, only a Mecalac machine can do this, negative lift. You can place your materials 9 feet below ground level. Nobody else on the market has the capacity to do so. Only a Mecalac can. So the MCR is a very versatile machine thanks to the Connect. Along with the hydraulic tools, you can equip yourself with hydraulic hammers, cutters, augers, mixers. The list goes on and on and on, allowing you to take on more jobs than ever before. And we understand here at Mecalac that all job sites are unique and challenging. We have designed our machines for maximum productivity. If you are productive, you are also profitable. So the 6MCR is a small, compact machine with extraordinary design and performance. But the design engineers, they didn't stop there. They made sure accessibility to the engine and parts was user-friendly from the ground. So here comes our operator. He needs to check something in the hood. Oh, there it is. Too easy. All right, thanks everybody for your time. We hope you like our Mecalac 6MCR. This is the little one. We also have an 8MCR, a 10MCR on tracks, and world premiere for the 15MWR and the 9MWR. Those are on wheels. So we do invite you to come into our stand, have a look around,